Now I'll put my granddaughter on this stuff. Look at that there. Teaching them right. Yep. Just keep reversing and cut it in. I've got this young man. He's been helping me a lot. Taught that young man over there a lot, right? Grandson got his head in the way. Right there, there he is. Back to my granddaughter. 16 years old, got her driver's license, and now she's doing body work. I'm trying to talk her into getting into a body shop here. I don't think it's going to happen, but hey, I'm going to try it. There we go. Looking good. It's going. Yep. See how it's doing right there? See that spot right here? We're starting to work into it. So, yeah, keep coming across that way there. You'll be good. Bodywork 101. Going to be an internet sensation tonight there. Only if you want to be. Looking good. I think this young man just playing. No, he's fixing those. Okay, you're good. Go ahead.